I'm going to teach you O Holy Night in the key of G, so make sure to stop this video, click on the description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to follow along with me. So we have the key of G, we have 3 main chords, G, C, and D, and then in a lot of Christmas carols, you're going to see a lot of minors thrown in there, okay? So let's just follow through with the G chord here, G, B, D. C chord, C, E, G. And then we got a D chord, D, F sharp, A, makes a triangle shape there. Then we have an E minor. Then we have a B minor. You're gonna come up here, B, D, F sharp. And then an A minor, kind of close next door, A, C, E. And then back to the E minor here. Okay, so we gotta review that. G chord. I'm just going through in the way the verse is playing it. So you have a G chord, C chord, D chord, E minor, B minor, sorry, there we go, A minor, and then back to your G. Okay, so if our right hand is going to play chords up here, our left hand, I'm just going to start it on the pinky on C, and I'm going to keep my hand here this whole time. The reason is because I'm going to just play single notes in my left hand. Like I said, this is the most basic way to play along to this carol. So we have a G here in our left hand single note, and our pinky plays a C. Then we could play a D in our ring finger there. E minor, A minor, just going to open that thumb up, and then you can open up one more and play the B minor. Okay, like I said, when your right hand's going to play chords, your left hand's going to play single notes. So you could go like this. Oh, holy night. Pretty simple, right? Then we're going to hop into the C. The stars are brightly, back to the G, shining. It is the night of our D, dear Savior's birth, G. And long lay the world in sin and error pining. I'm gonna pick up this E minor till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. I'm gonna pick up a D chord, thrill of hope. The G, the weary world rejoices. D, for yonder breaks. G, a new and glorious morn. Fall on your, I'm gonna move up to the E minor, sorry, B minor, knees. Come down to the A minor. Oh, hear the angel, E minor, voices. We're gonna hop up to the G. Oh, night, D, divine, C, O, G, D, when Christ was born, and O, D, night, E minor, C, G, D, G. You get the picture, right? Pretty fun. Let's see here. Then you can go just into the verses. It looks pretty simple from here on out. Just go ahead and have fun with this. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. And long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. The thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. gospel is peace. Chains shall he break, for the slave is our brother, and in his name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy in grateful chorus raise thee, let all within us praise his holy name. Fall on your knees, oh hear the angel voices, oh night divine, oh night when Christ was born, oh night divine, oh night divine, night divine, oh night when Christ was born.